Well, the teams are ready for the 65th final of a competition that started well over a year ago. And for just the second time, it's between a team from France and a team from Germany. And the circumstances, of course, are unique tonight. For the Paris Saint-Germain captain, Thiago Silva. Marco Verratti, and sticking with Ander Herrera, he's hoping his 350 midfield. Jerome Boateng is fit and starts alongside David Alaba at the back. If it's goals you like, this could be the perfect final for you. Some of the finest attacking players in the world. So Daniele Orsato blows his whistle to go, which might present an early problem. Although
it was a change of winning team who have dominated like they have for the final. It must be really galling for him. I mean, of course, Kings.
Here's Goretzka, now Lewandowski, Thiago, and the first long-range shot well off target from Bayern Munich.
Yeah, and Robert Lewandowski telling him, almost looking at him, so bounce upon.
Mbappe just... It's Di Maria's ball, and it's glanced away. Breaks here for Kingsley Coman, who wants to try and go through. Juan Bernat. Mbappe! And an important block in there for Bayern Munich by Leon Goretzka. Fantastic Paredes picking out Kylian Mbappe. Angel Di Maria was screaming for it. Joshua Kimmich was defending well for Bayern. That's a chance now. It's Mbappe to Neymar! And Neymar again! And Neuer for the second time makes the block.
Brilliant by Manuel Neuer. What a stop. Is he ever going to score, Neymar?
Serge Gnabry onto Joshua Kimmich, who'd made a good run. A lot cheaper. There's Lewandowski. Oh, he's at the post. First chance for the man who's got 55 goals in all competitions this season. He turned so quickly, and the shot had beaten Keylor Navas, but Cannon's back off the post.
Yeah, it was a really nice...
Now Herrera, oh, it's a wonderful ball, oh, it's over. Brilliantly threaded through by Herrera, and then Di Maria couldn't keep the shot down.
Yeah.
In towards Kingsley Coman, and
again, I thought Nicolas Sula, when he came on,
Kehrer giving chase. Davis was a little bit quick, but he's fouled it.
He's going to get a yellow card for his troubles as well.
So that's the first booking tonight. It's teased in by Neymar and then belted back in by Herrera. And that deflection might just have saved a goal. It's gone off a Paris Saint-Germain player. But it glanced on Lewandowski, good save Navas. He was happy there that it was straight at him, but he needed the reflexes all the same.
Yeah, brilliant by Lewandowski, arching his neck back because, of course, it comes off.
Little nutmeg on Kehrer. Muller's in the middle. It's Kimmich's delivery towards that far side where Sula and Goretzka were there. Given away. Here's a chance for Mbappe, who's looking to find room, and then Herrera. Mbappe straight at Neuer. What an opportunity wasted by Paris Saint-Germain.
One-on-one.
Goes a long way around. Down he goes. What's he say? The referee is waiting. He's waiting. He's not given a decision. Also of the first half, the chance for Kylian Mbappe when he hit it straight at Manuel Neuer. Lewandowski hit the post with a bobbling shot that beat Keylor. But both teams had chances that we've seen them take in the competition up to now, particularly the opportunities for Neymar and Mbappe from a Paris Saint-Germain. And it goes towards Robert Lewandowski, good defending at the near post by Thiago Silva.
Yeah, that's certainly the danger area over there.
Here's the chance for Coman! And there's the opening goal of the Champions League final. And it's the best passage of play we've seen so far from Bayern Munich. And the player selected tonight by Hansi Flick to come into the starting 11 has repaid the faith of his manager. Paris Saint-Germain 0, Bayern Munich 1. Whips it in again towards Lewandowski.
Brilliant.
Brilliant defended by Kimpembe.
Brilliant play all round. Verratti's the man to do that.
Well, the only reason Coman's coming in again at the far post. It's a brilliant clearance by Thiago Silva. So close to 2-0. Coman, who glides away from Thilo Kehrer. Crossed in by Di Maria. That's a lovely ball into Marquinhos, and good goalkeeping by Manuel Neuer. Brilliantly tight run.
Brilliant ball by Angel Di Maria to spot him. Marquinhos, you see him waltz into the box. Look at that.
Box. And Mbappe looking to skin Kimmich. Sula's there as well. Daniele Orsato was looking right at that and said that Bayern Munich got the ball.
Yeah, he got back Kimmich, didn't he? Bought the first one. Sula slowed